Hello everyone, today I will show you how to crochet this pet collar. These are the materials we will be using. Firstly, we will use the white yarn and start with a magic ring. Then we will create 35 chains. You can change the amount, depends on the size of your pet. Then we need to find the third chain from the hook and work one double crochet. After this, we will work double crochet in each chain until the end. Now we finished all the double crochets. Then we will cut off the yarn and change to green color. We will still start with a magic ring. Then we need to find the first chain and work 3 chains with the green yarn. Then we will work one double crochet in the same chain, and this will make our first leaf. Then we will skip one chain and find the third chain from the hook, and then work one double crochet, one chain, and one double crochet in the same chain. And we will repeat this process until the end. Now we finished all the leaves. Then we will secure the end and cut off the yarn. Then we will create our tulips between every 2 green double crochets. We will still start with a magic ring. We will create our tulips on the front side. On each leaf, we will create 5 double crochets to make one tulip. For the first tulip, we will work 3 chains and then work 4 double crochets in the same leaf. Now we finished all the double crochets. Then we will join the chains with the double crochet with 1 slip stitch and then create 3 chains. For all the other tulips, we will work 5 double crochets together in each leaf, and then we will join the double crochets with 1 slip stitch and then work 3 chains. We will repeat this process until the end. Now we come to the last tulip. For this tulip, we will still work 5 double crochets together firstly, and then 1 slip stitch, and finally 1 chain instead of 3. Then we will secure the end and cut off the yarn. Before moving next, we need to head all tails. Then we need to work the strap with the bow. To do this, we will change to white yarn and start with magic ring. We need to find the first chain on the collar and work 35 chains. You can also adjust the amount of the chains depending on the size of your pet. Now we finished the chains, and we need to find the third chain from the hook. and create a 4 double crochet cluster stitch. Basically, we will make 4 and finish the double crochet. Now we finished the cluster stitch and we have 5 loops on the hook. We will pull over all the 5 loops and then make a chain. And then we will work another 3 chains and repeat this whole process. Then we will join these 2 half bows together with a slip stitch and secure the ends. Then we need to hide the tail and finish the other side.